Intro into Organ and Arena System. The organ system is an extension onto the current exploration. How this is done is by increasing rewards and adding more rewards to the track. Finally, after an exploration ends, you can get 2 of the new currencies. The first one is organ containers and supplements. For many of your starting explorations, you will get bonus rewards from something called the Honor Compass. This is found in settings, and then there'll be a compass in there. And when you click on it, you'll see the different settings and how it buffs. It's based on every 5 hours of exploration, you'll get 150 organ containers and 3 supplements. It would also tell you how much time is remaining for that boost and the percentage of effectiveness. Once you've obtained the new currency, you'll need to know where to find how to spend it. This is done in 2 different places. When you go to your stat screen with the snail and all your gear, you can either click the helix or the snail mouth. Starting with the helix. The helix is where you switch forms, and also once you click this new green button, you will see a snail or a bird depending on your form and 5 blank spaces. These 5 blank spaces will be filled in with 9 new organs. By clicking on the green button bottom left, the snail's mouth will open and the organ containers can be opened. These pulls can be done from 1 to 100 at a time. Each pull will increase the value in the top left. This value will give you your current level and tier or stage. Each tier and stage gives buffs and unlocks new features in the game. There's a total of 10 levels. The first few pulls will be green organs. This system has a similar look to the previous one, but is different because you could either pick to swap or keep your current organ stat buff. Once you reach stage 2, tier 2, you will unlock the supplement station. To get this currency, you will have to do explorations as previously stated, and you also get a chance at getting between 3 or 6 of them for each 100 pull at the organ container area. To access the supplement station, you will have to click the cell in the bottom leftish. The supplement station gives organs and can be pulled between 1 and 100 at a time. Clicking the button in the top right gives you access to your current level and what organs you can obtain, and for the number of pulls, both free and white tab pulls. The final section in this part is the 9 organs or the 5 blank spots back in the original page, and these give a variety of bonuses. Some tiers and levels give gene sims, which help in later tiers and levels to upgrade them. These gene sims increase over time, meaning it can have 10 levels when you first get it, and it can increase to 20 or 30 or more. The other thing you can get from the tiers and levels is a new species map. This species map's sequences are gotten from the new gene sims. Going back to the stat screen, where you equip gear, clicking on the helix gives the option to switch between organs, and this is done by clicking the snail with like 50 eyes in the top right. After you're done swapping organs, you can click the button in the bottom left, which is green, and this is where you upgrade organs. To upgrade an organ, you click on their screen. Starting with the blue button in the bottom middle, this is where all sub upgrades can be done, and these are done 3 times. They require slime and depending on the level, changes the kind of slime between green, blue, purple, and orange. Once all three upgrades have been done, a red exclamation point will appear in the center, and clicking on it will give you the final upgrade to reset the grid. Once those upgrades have been done, you can go back to the screen before it to increase the tier of the organ. This will reset the page that you were upgrading before, giving you stat bonuses. Finally, once you max all the tiers of an organ, you can awaken it with duplicates and slime and awakening currency. Going to the main page for upgrading an organ, I'm going to go over the different max levels for each kind. First, for greens, the effect in the top left corner can be maxed out at level 7, and its max tier is 2. For blue organs, the effect top left can max out at level 8, and the tier maxes out as 3. For purple ones, max level for the top left thing is 9, and tier is 4. For orange, max level is 10, and tier is 5. For red, max level is 11, and tier is 6. The difference between old and new organs is old organs do not have effects. Now that we've looked at the different leveling systems for the organs, there are 2 different organ sets, new ones and old ones. And to swap between them, go back to the page where it shows you all the organs, and the bottom left corner has 2 options. It's one with a bunch of eyes and one with 2 eyes. The one with a bunch of eyes is the main page, and that's all the new organs. And the one with 2 eyes is all the old organs. Now that we've looked at all the different organs, we will look at what you can do with duplicates. So, duplicates you can either use to awaken organs, or you can use them in the thing that looks like the gene research area in the top right. By clicking on it, there's 2 different functions. The first one is re-rolling, similar to how fragments are used in the wish machine to tier up blue fragments to purple fragments, trying to get new relics, but in this instance, trying to get new purple organs. This can be done by using BTADs and duplicate organs, going from green to blue, blue to purple, purple to orange, and orange to red. All the rewards for the organ section and upgrades are found back at the page where all the organs are, and clicking the stamp in the top right. There are free rewards and there are rewards that cost white tadpoles. The most notable reward is the slime converter, which is located with the frogs in the wish pond, similar to all other converters. And this converts green slime to blue slime to purple slime to yellow slime. The new arena system. The new arena system has a new shop when you click the blue button, which have a variety of rewards and some new ones for the organ rework. There are 2 different shops. There is the red punching shop and the golden punching shop. The red punching shop currency is gotten by normal fights, while the gold currency is gotten by rewards after reset of the current event cycle. There are 2 different types of arenas. The first one starts at bronze 5 and goes to bronze 1 and silver 5 to silver 2. To go to the next arena in this area, you have to win 7 fights. You have to manual the first one, and the remaining 6 you can auto fight and skip. The first fight gives you 7 merit points, 1,000 BTATs, and 25 red punching points. The remaining 6 fights give you 3 controllers, 28 merit points, 1,000 BTADs, 100 red fighting points. Once you have made it to silver 1, you will see the next type of arena, and it's similar in format to the current one. In this arena, you fight opponents, and you are given 5 free attacks a day, and any consecutive fights require controllers. A quick note about controllers: you can get them in the BTAD shop. 1 for 10,000 BTADs, a maximum of 3 times, and in the normal punching shop, 1 for 20 punching points, a maximum of 3 times. The rewards for winning a fight at Silver 1 is 7 merit points, 1,000 BTADs, and 25 punching points. The rewards for winning in the next arena, or the blue run, is 7 merit points and 25 normal punching points. You can also click on the blue button to see your fights and revenge people who have defeated you. There is also a monthly pack which costs $10 and gives you rewards based on the amount of merit points you hit. When you're on the main screen and you click the fist or the glove, it will show you the different arenas and their rewards. The main thing you will look at is the rewards you get for reaching a certain arena and the perks you can get by reaching that arena. The last part is the yellow punching gloves. How to get them? You get them at the end of each reset based on your placing and arena. Each tier has a variety of rewards. The top 3 will get a special reward, which increases as you go higher up in tiers. The final part of this is a quick intro into the new Supreme Relic system and some important milestones. So the first thing is you get a new daily when you click on the shop, and then you click the green button and you click claim, which is another green button after that. And this gives you 20 white tadpoles and 50 of the new chest. This new chest has a variety of different rewards. The main one you're looking for is the 15% one, that's orange. There's another new polling system, which when you go back to the shop and you click on the cuboid, you can get rewards. The second one gives you red shrooms, which have no daily cap. The third one does stuff based on minions. And here are some of the upgrades for these new systems. The new Supreme Relic system gives rewards based on how many of a set of relics you have. Here are some of the different rewards. You can get skins for your base, which have better buffs than comfort, and a new Gear Souls unit, a new rocket, cabin, and its resources to upgrade it can be bought for blue shards, like the other ones. And throughout it, you can get organs, and when you hit the final set of Supreme Relics, you can awaken all the organs you've been getting previously to get the ultimate form and the best set of organs to equip on your Snail.